Hello everyone, I am Bogdan and I need to confess something. Recently, I have driven a 1-liter Nissan Juke and since then, my car has never been the same. Some of you will think that the Juke impressed me with its mighty 1-liter power plant. Don't you worry, you little 3-liter engine. You are safe here with me. I am going to do your oil changes, repair you, and keep you running until those 1-liter engines are all dead and buried. So coming back to our story, the Nissan Juke showed me that my vehicle has an old vehicle smell and I need to address that. To do that, we have an AC system cleaner from Mannol. We have the fanciest schmanciest air filter from MannFilter. We are going to install this and make this car new again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Airflow from there towards me. After removing the air filter, we will need to run the ventilating system for 10 minutes with the windows open. They are saying with the engine off, but I don't believe that because it will drain the battery. Aircon off, recirculation on, air distribution set to the footwell, temperature and fan speed set to maximum. After those 10 minutes, we will need to change the recirculation off, set air distribution to the windscreen, insert the probe and dispense 250 milliliters of the product in the cabin air filter openings as well as in some of the ventilation holes. Something is not really working. I was looking for an efficient way of getting an AC cleaner, in my case the Mannol, closer to what I believe to be the vaporizer of the AC system on the BMW. So after first failing to inject it in the air filter housing, now I've injected it on this condensation port, and also I've noticed that the footwell duct is heading very close to this area. So I took the long pipe, inserted it through this area, and I am injecting it. Hopefully it will help clean the vaporizer. And after that we will replace the cabin filter. Let's fit the filters because the cleaner wouldn't really work. Airflow. And now my conclusions. Yes, the air smells better. I've managed to change the air filter. However, the description and the way that I've seen this product being used on a vehicle did not really pan out on the BMW, especially because of the fact that the air is pushed out of the air filter. So I didn't get any suction effect of the cleaning solution inside of the ventilation system. I gave up on using the interior air filter duct. I went outside of the vehicle where the air goes inside of the ducting and sprayed some of this material, some of this cleaner over there. What I've noticed is that this cleaner didn't reach where the air filter is, so I really believe that that action didn't really help that much. I force sprayed it in some of the vents. It does something, but for the BMW F10, I really don't believe that this is the best solution for cleaning your AC. In the future, I'm going to plan a massive strip out of the interior and use all sorts of chemicals to actually do a deep clean on the vehicle. What else? If you enjoyed this type of video, you might also enjoy some of the other work that we have done on the BMW F10. If you want to upgrade your vehicle, get in touch. Or if you want to look at some diagnostic tools, videos will be available there and there. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.